Choosing the right paint colors can transform your home, making it look more luxurious and expensive. Designers suggest the following 10 colors to achieve an upscale appearance. Soft gray, a versatile neutral, soft gray adds sophistication without overpowering a space. It creates a serene backdrop that complements various styles and furnishings. Navy blue, deep and dramatic, navy blue exudes elegance. It's perfect for creating a statement in dining rooms or bedrooms, adding a sense of depth and richness. Warm white, unlike stark white, warm white has subtle undertones that add warmth and comfort. It's a classic choice that brightens a space while still feeling cozy. Charcoal, for a modern and sleek look, charcoal is a go-to. This deep gray adds a moody, luxurious vibe, especially in living rooms and bathrooms. Sage green, this soft, muted green brings a touch of nature indoors. It's a calming and timeless color that pairs well with wood tones and natural elements. Deep taupe, a blend of gray and brown, deep taupe is both neutral and rich. It creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere that feels sophisticated. Burgundy, a bold choice, burgundy adds a regal touch to any space. It's particularly striking in dining rooms or as an accent wall. Muted blue, this calming shade of blue has gray undertones, making it feel more refined and less beachy. It's great for bedrooms and bathrooms. Greige, a mix of gray and beige, greige is the ultimate neutral. It's versatile and adds an understated elegance to any room. Blush pink, soft and subtle, blush pink adds a touch of warmth and sophistication. It works well in bedrooms and living spaces, offering a gentle, upscale feel.